Do you maintain your buckets and attachments between hires? In this video we're going to talk about the 5 main reasons why you should maintain your bucket and attachment fleet and how it can help you save time and money. So what do we classify as a well-maintained bucket fleet? So first of all is to make sure that bolt-on teeth or bolt-on blades are kept up to date, so often replaced. So when a bolt-on blade is getting worn down and you're getting close to the lip plate, that you replace that or spin it round, in fact, because Rhinox blades are reversible. Also is to make sure that the teeth aren't too worn and replace these, ensures for better digging. Second of all is ensuring that you've got, as we mentioned, bolt-on blades for digging buckets, but as well as that on grading buckets. This saves you from damaging the lip plate and in turn saving you from ruining the structure of your bucket. Then finally is to ensure that you've got the correct pins to suit your buckets. So what are the main reasons why you should maintain your buckets and attachments? Well, first of all, Rhinox has worked closely with end users, and we appreciate the fact that end users are always looking for a well-maintained buckets. So this will give your customer confidence in hiring from you, improving your hire rate and increasing the return. Ensuring that you've got the correct pins in your buckets always ensures that your customers are having ease of changing attachments and buckets. This also improves the customer experience. Your equipment will actually perform better if it's well maintained, so this will also increase the customer's experience and improve the return custom. Maintaining your buckets and attachments will actually save you from making costly site visits, because we've seen it in the past where a plant hire customer has had to go out to site to replace a damaged bucket that a customer has received on a hire. So here at Rhinox we've been working with plant hire companies for many years, and through this experience we've actually understand that many plant hire companies have buckets and attachments and maintaining these at low priority. We strongly feel that it is so worth putting the time and money into maintaining your bucket fleet, as this gives you a competitive edge. So as I said, many plant hire companies have this low on their priority list. So maintaining your bucket fleet gives a more presentable product to your customers, and it will give you a competitive edge in the market. So we strongly feel that if you give your customer a good experience when they hire from you, it will leave a good taste in their mouth and they'll want to return. This will increase your repeat business. So as I said previously, we work a lot with end users, and end users really appreciate a well-maintained bucket and attachment fleet. Being known in the market for looking after your kit, we'll see your customers recommend you as a plant hire company for someone who provides a hassle-free service. So there are the 5 main reasons why here at Rhinox we recommend that you maintain your buckets and attachments on your fleet. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this from Rhinox, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos.